When a company decides to establish a manufacturing facility in Mexico, there are many legal requirements to start operating. In Mexico can take a year and a half, sometimes even 2 years, to get all the permits, to get a legal entity formed, to get registered under the Mexican IRS. So there's a lot of requirements. Our clients, who generally have sales of up to $1 billion per year, the majority are family-owned, family-run, private equity-backed companies. They need help in this process, and that's where we come in. We start as the river guide, and we are supporting every step of the way. In terms of the legal entity, the legal requirements, the permits, the certifications, we already have all that. Instead of 1.5 to 2 years, our clients start manufacturing in less than 8 weeks. And that is something that, especially for newcomers to Mexico that have never operated a facility in Mexico, that is a great advantage. That's one important aspect. The second one is that once we have a manufacturing services agreement signed in the US, because we're a Texas-based company, our clients, most of the time, send equipment to one of our facilities in Mexico. We have 17 facilities today in 4 different cities. And if we need to get a specific facility, a specific size, specific floor space, etc., we will get that. Either lease it, build to suit, etc. And our clients send the equipment, or they're owners of the equipment, but we bring it into Mexico. And then we start to focus on the employees they share profiles of what they need to operate. And we do recruiting, we do the hiring. We start to do all the import and export classifications so that it is treated as a USMCA product that allows for lower or even no tariffs. And that setup is all within those 8 weeks. This is in very simple, high-level terms, what it takes to start operations in Mexico through a local partner like us.